What is going on, everyone? It is Mark here with another video, and today we are taking a look at a Bluetooth speaker with a little bit of a twist. So in front of me today we have a Bluetooth speaker called the Tivoo. You'll see in just a second, it brings back a few little retro vibes, and I've heard good things about it. We're about to check it out. So just taking a quick look at the box, we got a picture of this Tivoo Look TV. It's a retro TV Bluetooth speaker with some LEDs there. Anyways, so in the front you got a picture of the actual Tivoo Smart Pixel Art Bluetooth speaker, and it's by a company called Divoom. The packaging so far is really nice. It's like a hard plastic, and here we go. Wow. All right, so when you open the box, you're greeted by the Tivoo itself. It looks like a very retro TV. So what's also included is a micro USB cable to charge everything up, a 3.5mm audio jack, literature, and of course the Tivoo itself. What it looks like a very retro TV. You're going to be greeted by a nice set of grills on the top, some dials. The legs are actually very solid, shiny chrome plastic here, grippy bottoms. And when you turn the Tivoo around, you're going to be greeted by the air vent and a nice little plastic cover. Once you peel that cover off, you're gonna have the power button, aux jack, micro USB to charge everything up, and a micro SD card. So I guess the next thing we wanna do is turn this on, no? So what the actual screen is a 16 by 16 pixel kind of art area that you can also customize with the use of the app that I'm going to download in just a second. If you turn the top right dial, you'll be able to switch the kind of preset mode. 2018, we got some cool pixels, the time, and if you take a look at the second knob there, that's your volume control. When I make the adjustments to the volume, it of course shows up on the pixel screen. It's a very nice little interactive little thing. The bottom button allows you to toggle between Bluetooth and auxiliary cable. There's of course really cool animations. Okay, but moral of the story is we gotta download the app, we gotta connect our phone and actually listen to what this thing sounds like. So once you have the app downloaded, this is where the magic happens. So when you're scrolling through, look at all of the designs that you can actually display on the Tivoo itself. So here's a cowboy, for example. If you don't like the cowboy, no problem. Pretty much an infinite amount of designs that you can choose from, whatever you want on your Tivoo. That just allows you to have a little bit of customization with the Bluetooth speaker that is already very, very unique looking and has, you know, no one's gonna mistake that. This is going to be awesome on your desk. Some more applications that you do get when you download the app. One of them that I would really like to point out is DJ Mixer. This will actually allow you to make some music. All right, we'll leave DJ mixing to the professionals here. What else do you have? You can use this as, it's such a versatile little speaker. You can have your alarm, you can set alarms for you to get up in the morning. You can have sleep time, which is kind of like this ambient noise maker that allows you to fall asleep easier if you need that kind of assistance. It can have separate timers, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, all the way up to pretty much an hour and a half. Notifications, so pretty much whenever you get notified of anything, it will display on your desk. WhatsApp, text, missed calls, incoming calls, Snapchat, Instagram, like everything is there for you to get notified, and then just a little quick notification will pop up on the Tivoo. You also have an option to create and display a text on the actual Tivoo. You just make whatever sentence you want, it displays on the Tivoo. The moral of the story is, at the end of the day, this is a Bluetooth speaker as well. So the biggest test of this is music. So I heard great things about it. Let's hear it. I give that a solid 6 out of 10. No, it's not going to be the world's loudest, nor is it going to be the world's best Bluetooth speaker, but you have to take into consideration its size, its other functionality, and of course its price. Am I going to throw a party with this? No, but this is more of a little bit of a novelty, a desk ornament, alarm clock situation, something just to add a little bit of spice to wherever it goes. What other Bluetooth speaker looks like this? Anyways, that's the Tivoo by Divoom. Just to quickly summarize, what does it do? It's a Bluetooth speaker, like I said, a solid 6 out of 10 quality sound-wise. It's a pixel art display here that really allows you to customize and to spice up the display. It'll make every desk setup look very, very nice. I can guarantee that. And it's just a cool little novelty item. I grew up in the 90s, and I just have a huge appreciation for pixel art. It's Mario Bros. Like this is retro. This is bringing back some nostalgia. I'm a huge fan of this. If you guys are interested, of course, I will have a link down in the description just to get over there to their homepage. Before I end this week's video, I would like to thank Tivoo for sending this out. It's an awesome product. I'm a huge fan of the pixel art. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below. For additional brownie points, please follow me on all my social media. Links, of course, can be found down in the description. But for now, thank you, and I will see you on the next one.